value talaga. It's not just for me, but for our generation, the young, the youth. It's very important to have those building blocks be set at an early age kasi madadala mo talaga siya once you get older. So again, to add on what you have said, thank you talaga because self-esteem can be built on your own, but you guys have helped us, especially me, growing up having insecurities about my smile. You have not only given me a great smile, but great confidence. I feel so good about myself, not only because I have a great smile, confident ko na tumatawa ako like this and like that kasi kaka-cleaning ko lang, tapos yung bago nilang technology, it was so, oh my god, actually, it's so great kasi first time ko yun na-experience yung new technology sa clinic nila and they only use water and powder. I tried that in the clinic. Oo, si Doc Vince gumawa sa akin. I was like, oh my God, shout out, Doc Vince. It was so cool. After that, I literally said to my dad, I'm a newborn person. Kasi parang, iba kasi when you're brushing your own teeth. Iba din magpa-cleaning sa clinic. And after that, I was like, sino ba ako? Sino to? I'm fresh. So I felt great, not only a great smile, but my character I felt so blooming that day talaga. And thank you, Doc, RFP. Thank you sa mga, everyone out there that value our smiles. And may God bless us all.
Thank you.
Lang paano ginagawa. Kasi yun yung common misconception sa culture natin mga Pilipino, na yung bata natutuwa ka na marunong siya mag-brush, pero hindi effective yung brushing. So ngayon at may mga pag-aaral researches na sinabi na dapat 6 years old and below, dapat talaga guided ang brushing technique. Tinuturuan mo sila para maging effective yung pag-brush. 6 years old and above, yun lang pwede. Kaya na, na-develop nila yung motor skills sa paglilinis ng ngipin.
Yung dog ko daw, natututbrush na siya. Pero hindi lang siya ang magbubugbog. Yung nihaya, magkakaroon.
Kaya, pang dog, iba
Kaya
yun.
yung dog, matawag din ang hindi na.
Ibig sabihin lahat nasa household, my beautiful team. And
There really is this unspoken connection you can feel whenever somebody smiles at you. Hindi mo sila kilala, but just a simple smile, it really makes a difference with your persona, your demeanor. You feel confident, you feel safe that there is someone that appreciates you, diba? Kasi to smile is to show that you appreciate the person.
At makita kanila yung person. Naku, hindi na sila makakatulog.
And sobrang grabe yung impact.
smile allow you to carry yourself with confidence now that you're thrust into this public eye.
Well, that's interesting because I used to be insecure with my smile. I used to have like crooked teeth and all. I wore braces growing up, especially nung I was inside BBB, nag-braces pa ako nun. Tapos, when I removed it, I was so confident. Kasi, wow, sino to? I went outside the house with lots of people looking up to me. At sabi ko, wow, nandito na lang ako sa bahay ni Kuya. Ang dami ng tao that are looking up to me. And every time I smile, I don't know them. Again, like Ate Moira said, whether that be strangers or the people you know.